heard the term barn-dominium before, but maybe you've not seen one. So here's an opportunity to kind of show you the possibilities that exist in a barn-dominium. So on this top level, you've got the living space. You've got about 1,300 square foot of living space. And the beautiful thing is you've got vaulted ceilings, which creates so much more space. You've got an open floor plan, a great room concept, so that you can really make use of the space. And then of course you have 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms on this level, along with a laundry closet, a little office nook area for you to set up a little bit of extra space. And then that opens up to this deck with an amazing view out here. So you have living space here, but what really a barn-dominium gives you is so many more options. So we're going to go downstairs next, and you can see the different options that this will afford you. All right, so now we're downstairs. This is where the options really start to show themselves. So currently, what you have is like a 4-car garage. You've got a full bathroom already in place over here. You've got an extra room has the furnace in it, been used as like a safe room, a gun room, an office. I mean, possibilities are endless. You could easily turn that into a walk-in closet. You could wall off a couple of bedrooms here and create additional living space for upstairs. So you have a couple extra bedrooms, maybe a bonus room down here. Or you could make it dual living, put in a small kitchenette area, 1 bedroom and a living space, or keep it as a garage. So the possibilities really are endless here. So let's go take a look at the rest of the property now. One of the great things about this place is you've got 2 covered RV carports. So on this one, they built in the dog run, and it has access to the man door along with a dog door in there. You could keep that and use it, or you could easily take that out and have extra RV space. And then up here on this side, what's great about this space, obviously it's covered, it's high enough for, you know, your biggest RV. It also has RV hookup. So you've got the electrical, you've got water here, you have an RV dump down below and right over here at the corner of the house. So you've got multiple places to hook up your RV. You can dump it here, you can tie up to electrical. We have 30 amp breakers up here to plug into. So there's just really so much to offer here. This is the upper part of the property. The property line goes clear up above there where all these trees are. But here you've got some new freshly planted Christmas trees. You have a ton of fruit trees out here. You've got apple trees and cherry trees. Of course, it wouldn't be rural Oregon without blackberry bushes, so you've got those too, which provide wonderful blackberries in the summer. Right down below us, there is a goat pen that has electricity run to it. Down below that is a chicken coop, and then we'll go take a look at the shops. Okay, so right now we're in the smaller of the shops. This one is 24 by 36, and it has 2 garage doors, sliding garage doors. What's really cool is it's got the storage room that is framed above, and then he's framed in this small little room that he was going to use to hang meat and use as a cooler. So it has a lot of electricity running through that to put an air conditioning unit and tie that into. You could use it as an office, you could use it as a storage room. There's so many possibilities of things that you could do in this space, but a lot of really good storage, and everything is built so well. So let's go take a look at the barn. This is outside of the small shop, and I forgot to mention that this also has a 30 amp breaker that you can hook up an RV to down here below on the property. All right, now we're down at the barn. And this right now currently is a 3-stall barn, as we're going to see in a minute. You've got 2 pasture turnouts, And then, of course, over here you've got some overhead storage. One of the things about this is it currently is wired for electricity. They've been running it off of a portable generator, which you could easily do. Or they also have plans and a bid from PGE for bringing a transformer out to power this barn. So let's go take a look inside. So inside, as you can see, we've got 3 gorgeous stalls. I mean, these things are gorgeous. Well built, they're not going anywhere. 2 turnouts, like I mentioned. There are plans for a 4th stall here, a tap room here, and a wash center over here in the corner with the drain already in place. It's plumbed for water already, and you have the plumbing to bring in the electrical. So everything is here. The only thing you have to do is hook up the power. You already have the lights. Everything is ready to go. I also want to mention that this property is on forest deferral. So all you have to do is keep the trees growing and your taxes are low.